Reinforcement learning, RL, is a captivating domain of artificial intelligence that revolves around learning optimal actions through trial and error. Imagine a curious agent navigating a maze, discovering rewards hidden at various junctions. Each move the agent makes presents an opportunity to gain insights, reshaping its understanding of the best path to take. This foundation distinguishes reinforcement learning from other learning paradigms, emphasizing interaction with the environment and continuous improvement over time. At the heart of RL lies the concept of the agent, which makes decisions, the environment, which is the world the agent interacts with, and the actions that guide the agent's explorations. Picture an agent poised at the edge of a cliff, weighing the options of stepping forward or retreating. Each choice leads to consequences that teach the agent how to navigate complex landscapes, ultimately refining its strategies. As the agent interacts with the environment, it receives feedback in the form of rewards or penalties, acting as a guiding compass toward success or failure. A powerful mechanism within reinforcement learning is the reward signal. When an agent encounters a reward, it receives a jolt of motivation, painting the experience in bright colors, while penalties cast a shadow, making those decisions less appealing in the future. Visualize this as a game of balance, where each score fuels the agent's pursuit of knowledge and mastery, pushing it to explore further and learn faster. Through this iterative process, the RL agent gradually hones its skills, adapting to challenges presented by ever-changing environments. The diverse applications of reinforcement learning sparkle like stars in the sky, illuminating fields such as robotics, gaming, and recommendation systems. Imagine a robot learning to navigate a chaotic environment, developing the dexterity required to pick objects without breaking them. In gaming, RL drives non-player characters to exhibit human-like behaviors, providing thrilling adaptations during gameplay. In recommendation systems, RL algorithms analyze user behavior to tailor suggestions, turning casual visitors into loyal customers as they discover content that resonates with their preferences. Ultimately, reinforcement learning embodies the pursuit of knowledge, fueled by curiosity and the quest for rewards. It forms the backbone of intelligent systems that can adapt, explore, and find solutions to intricate problems. As we delve deeper into this exciting field, the potential applications and innovations seem limitless, hinting at a future where machines learn and evolve alongside us, navigating the complexities of an ever-changing world.